Hey guys, it's Monday, September 25th. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Ready for a great week of trading. Not a lot of news this week, not a whole lot, not like there was last week. As you can see, I've still got the videos, the streaming. Keeping my fingers crossed for tomorrow, Wednesday. If it is Wednesday, then I'll do a Friday live stream too. If it's Tuesday, then I'll just do Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and there won't be a Friday. I'm going to start out with the pound dollar 1 hour. It's made a 1 hour buy, and it's not moved a whole lot yet, but it does got a low risk trade. That low is 121.93, and we're trading at 93.14. So that's 714.21 spread about $25 risk right there. Now unless you got in here, then your risk was a little bit lower. The 4 hour has made a buy as well on the 4 hour, so those in agreement. Yeah, I got some got a comment last week about that my videos didn't have any action. I'm not here to entertain, I'm here to teach people to trade. Isn't that the whole point of it? So I'd let that person know that there's plenty of people on YouTube that trade 1 minute charts where you can get all the action you want in there and entertainment. But I wouldn't trust it, but they're welcome to it. I like the way that I trade. Not everybody, because I'm a swing trader. I'm not a day trader, I'm a swing trader. So there'll be times when there's not a trade set up yet. So that means there's no action. I'm not going to sit on the computer all day long and talk to a chat room about politics and all that other crap. Strictly about trading for me and helping people learn how to trade and to make money consistently. That's it. If somebody's wanting to come to my YouTube channel to look for action, a lot of trades, they're in the wrong spot. They're welcome to go to all those other ones, and I think they're going to find out over time that they're getting entertained, but they're not making no money. So the pound dollar 1 hour and 4 hours both in agreement on the buy. The Aussie dollar is still in a buy. There was the buy over here, and that was on Friday, no, Thursday. So it ran up, it's come back down. I'd like for it to come a little bit lower for a buy opportunity, a low risk buy. That's what I do, is low risk buys. I wait. See, when you miss these, when it runs up, if you missed it and it doesn't pull back far enough within my parameters, which is 30 pips or less, I don't take it. Then I wait for another opportunity. Yep, if you got in there, you did make some money, but the risk was higher. Aussie dollar 1 hour is a buy. The Aussie dollar 4 hour is a buy also. So both of those in agreement. But there's going to have to be a sell-off. Wow, what'd I do? Yep, there it goes. Okay. Euro CAD 1 hour buy. It's a low risk trade. Euro CAD 4 hour is also a buy, so both of those in agreement with low risk trades right now if you wanted to take them. I'm in the Euro CAD. I got in on this candle, so I got a low risk trade. What is this? CAD yen sell 1 hour. Okay, now that looks good to get into too. It still might push up. 4 hour is also on the sell, so both of those in agreement right now on the CAD yen. Aussie yen 1 hour sell. The 4 hour Aussie yen is in a sell too. Has been for a little bit. Had the little poke up there. Give you another opportunity to get in. If you missed it, see how it went in and just drove straight down. You didn't have really have an opportunity. It'd be better if it would come back up in here. That could be as high as it goes, is right there, and that's on the Aussie yen. The pound Aussie 4 hour is in a buy. The pound Aussie 1 hour is also in a buy. So both of those are in agreement right now on the pound Aussie. The pound CAD 1 hour is a buy. The 4 hour pound CAD 4 hour is also a buy. So both of those in agreement on the pound CAD. The pound yen 1 hour is in a buy, but boy, look at that. It's just gone sideways. It has just gone sideways, done nothing. The 4 hours in a buy too, same thing. It's not gone anywhere. That was the pound yen. The euro New Zealand 1 hour is in a buy. The 4 hours in a buy too, so those are in agreement. I think there is Europe news this week, Tuesday or Wednesday. Then there's Aussie news too, Tuesday or Wednesday. Pound New Zealand 1 hour. I don't think that's changed. Looks exactly like the euro New Zealand on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is in a buy too, so both of those are in agreement on the pound New Zealand on the buy side. New Zealand yen 4 hours in a sell. 1 hour is also in a sell. So both of those in agreement right now on the New Zealand yen. I see. I think I'm going to take that trade. Matter of fact, because it's a low risk trade. You have to take it when they're like this. You have to take it. At least I do. That's what I do. Let's see. I have to do it on here if I can find it. Here we go. So those are in agreement on the sell side on the New Zealand yen. The euro yen 1 hour is in a buy and would like a pull back down into here somewhere for a buy opportunity. So to me, there's nothing to do. The 4 hour euro yen is in a buy too. Been in a trading range, up, down, may come back down into here again. That's on the euro yen. And the euro Aussie 4 hour is in a buy. And the euro Aussie 1 hour is in a sell. So those aren't in agreement on the euro Aussie. So I have to stay away from that. I do, euro Aussie. Well, that's the video for today, guys. If you got any questions or comments, you're welcome to message me on the YouTube channel. I'll get back to you just as quick as I can. It's usually pretty quick. Except I'm on the East Coast in the US. So, if it's 2, 3 o'clock in the morning when you message, I'm not going to message back till the next morning here in the US. So I hope everybody has a good night tonight, and protect your trades, please. Move your stops if you can. And please, if you've gotten 50, 60, 70, 80 pips, please take, half off, a third, a fourth, whatever you feel comfortable with. take off that and let the rest do what it can do. So that way you can make more money. So I'm not about getting 8 to 10 pips. I'm just not. It's not worth it having to do everything for that. Find another spot to get back in. When I find my spot, that's what I go with. That's why I do low risk trades. Like for instance, this one on the Euro Aussie 4 hour. Now it hadn't gone far, but it's still a pretty good move there. The low was 164.48, and this low was 164.66. So that's 18 plus the spread 21. Let's say you didn't get the perfect number. Let's call it worst case 28 pips, which is in my parameters. 28 pip stop loss. That's all it is. $28. So that would be 164.70, and it went up to, oh, that's not right again. Is that right? 164.70 to 160. Yeah, 120 pips. So you done took half off. Now you made good money. See, there was no need to hang, to do 8 or 10 pips. There's no need to do that. You just hang on to it. If it's going to move, you got your stop where your stop loss is. It's either going to do it or not. But all you're going to lose is $26, and that's if you didn't get the bottom of that candle. If you did, it's closer to $20 is all you're risking. So please keep that in mind. Hopefully tomorrow, either way, I'm going to have a video tomorrow if I'm not able to do live stream. If the live streaming is going, up and going, I'll be on hopefully around 8 o'clock. That's Eastern time in the US. And I'll go until 11:15, maybe 11:30, depending on how the market's doing. That's Eastern time. Then come back later, and much later in the day, and see if there's profit to be took, stops to be moved, stuff like that, and maybe even another trade setup on one of these currencies. So we'll see you guys tomorrow one way or another.